Today, making a great trade practice. This momentum trading recap will improve your trading skills to the next level. As you know, practice is everything when it comes to trading. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start now. Let's chat about this interesting coin called Comma USDT. It had a very nice price action this morning. First thing you can notice is this is a very strong price action with momentum imbalances. At some point, price dips to these momentum imbalances and taps before the rally. If you check out the 2 hours time frame on the right, you can notice that how dominant the buyers are, strongly pushing the coin up. Now, let's open the 1 minute time frame on the left side and talk further by combining high and low time frames. Notice the beautiful point of price rally happens in this case. However, this price action is also kind of troublesome. Notice this deep, strong SR flip area with imbalance below worries me a lot. So, this is not an ordinary or easy trade. There are many other things to consider here. Let's focus on the 1 minute chart and dissect the area even further. Okay, in this chart, we have to talk about a couple of things. As you can see in this area, there is no particular market structure break, but only a small price switch happening, with inner momentum imbalances. This indicates an entry chance here, but very hard to use for a classic risk-reward system. So, you need to jump with a yo-yo cost averaging. Second order point should be the under area for deeper liquidity sweep. And probably the last order should be in the area of this classic SR flip zone. Now, if the first order works, you shall not get greedy. Get your 3% move, and if you use 20x leverage, it should give you around 6% profits and then exit. If the price dips further and gets your second order, an average created here. Again, the only thing you should care for is 2 to 4% move at most. Get in, get out, get in, get out. If all three orders hit, now you have a big average here. Again, the same, looking for a quick move to get out of the trade. I hope that everything makes sense until this point. Now, what if the price keeps dropping after all three orders taken? Then what? In those cases, I do this, waiting for a small pullback to my entry location, and I try to cut the loss. Basically, I will try to minimize my loss as much as possible. You should never keep averaging down forever in trading. It is extremely dangerous. You need to understand that, especially after COVID, trading is not the same. It's not easy at all. If someone comes to you and tells you, trading is so easy, quit your job, become a full trader today, and you can get rich in a year, he is definitely lying to you. Trading is not easy at all. Classic risk-reward systems are not working well anymore. Markets are very choppy. You need a new kind of mastery of order and risk management. You need to focus on managing open trades with dynamic decisions. Okay, friends, I hope that you gained some knowledge from this video. See you next time, and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find the links